Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here today.
Today we have a very tasty topic.
Yes. Today we talk about the restaurant.
Going to a restaurant is fun, but in a new language, it can feel a little scary.
Do not worry. Today we make it easy for you.
We teach you simple English for the restaurant.
Words you need, phrases you can use.
Ready? Let us start.
First, let us talk about why this is important.
When you travel, you eat at restaurants almost every day.
And when you eat out, you need to talk to people.
You talk to the waiter or the waitress.
A waiter is the person who brings your food. A man.
And a waitress is a woman who brings your food.
Today, many people just say server. That word is for everyone.
Server. Easy word. The person who serves your food.
Okay, let us start at the beginning.
You walk into the restaurant. What happens first?
Someone says hello and asks, how many people?
You can say, a table for two, please.
A table for two, please. So simple.
Or a table for four. Or a table for one. Just change the number.
Sometimes the restaurant is full. Then they ask, do you have a reservation?
A reservation. That is when you call before. You book a table.
You can say, yes, I have a reservation under Maya.
Under Maya means the reservation has your name. Maya.
Or you say, no, we do not have a reservation.
Then maybe you wait a little. That is okay.
Now you sit down. The server brings the menu.
The menu. The list of all the food and drinks.
Take your time. Look at the menu. No stress.
The server comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
To order means to say what food you want.
If you need more time, say, can we have a few more minutes, please?
Can we have a few more minutes, please? Very useful phrase.
And when you are ready, you can say, I would like the pasta, please.
I would like. This is a very polite way to order.
I would like the pizza. I would like the chicken. I would like the fish.
Or even easier, can I have the pasta, please?
Can I have? Also perfect. Also polite.
Alex, what about drinks?
Good question. The server asks, what would you like to drink?
You can say, a water, please. Or a cola, please.
Or, can I have an orange juice, please?
Sometimes they ask, still or sparkling?
That is about the water. Still water has no bubbles.
And sparkling water has bubbles. Psh,
I love sparkling water. Maya likes still water.
that is true. Okay, now you have your food. You are eating.
The server comes and asks, how is everything?
You can say, it is delicious, thank you.
Delicious means the food is very, very good.
Delicious. Everyone loves to hear that word.
But maybe there is a problem. Maybe your food is cold.
Then you can say, excuse me, my food is cold.
Excuse me. That is how you start. It is polite.
Excuse me, I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
Excuse me. Can we have more water, please?
Excuse me works every time. Remember it.
Now, the meal is finished. You are full. What is next?
You need to pay. You ask for the bill.
The bill. That is the paper with the price.
In America, people also say the check.
Same thing. The bill, the check, the paper you pay,
You say, can we have the bill, please?
or the check, please. Short and easy.
Then you pay. Cash or card?
Cash is paper money. Card is your bank card.
The server asks, cash or card? You answer, card, please.
And in some countries, you leave a tip.
A tip is extra money for the server. To say thank you.
In America, the tip is very important. Maybe 15 or 20%.
In Europe, it is smaller, but it is always friendly.
Okay, let us practice. A little dialogue. I am the server.
And I am the customer. The customer is the person who eats.
Good evening. Welcome. How many people?
A table for two, please.
Of course, follow me. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I would like the pasta, please.
Great choice. And to drink?
Can I have a sparkling water, please?
Perfect. Your food is coming soon.
Thank you.
And later, how is everything?
It is delicious, thank you.
Wonderful. Anything else?
No, thank you. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Cash or card?
Card, please.
And scene. Did you hear that, everyone? So simple.
You can do this. Just these small phrases. That is all you need.
Let us repeat the most important words from today.
Server, the person who brings your food.
Menu, the list of food and drinks
To order, to say what you want.
I would like. The polite way to order.
Delicious. When the food is very good.
The bill, the paper you pay at the end.
A tip. Extra money for the server.
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is reservation.
Reservation. When you book a table before you go.
I have a reservation under Maya for 2 people at 7.
Make a reservation. Have a reservation. Cancel a reservation.
Reservation. Say it with us. Reservation.
Perfect. You're getting better every episode.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 8.
Today we talked about the restaurant, ordering food, paying the bill.
And our word of the day was reservation.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.